Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can check your memories on Snapchat. But first I wanted to say that don't forget to subscribe, because at 10,000 subscribers I will show you my revenue statistics. So let's start. First go to your Snapchat and click on this icon, and here you can see the memories. So first there are the snaps. The snaps that you create and save will be stored here, so that you can look back later. So here will appear all your saved snaps, the stories. Organize your snaps, create personal stories for vacations, your favorite selfies, special events, and more. So here you can organize your snaps as well. After that, the camera roll. Your camera isn't backed up by Snapchat. Okay, your camera, and here my eyes only, which means that snaps you move here can only be seen after you enter my eyes only passcode. So if you click on that, here you have to add your passcode, and you can see those snaps by entering that passcode, which is really helpful if you want to hide something. So thank you, bye bye.